Hello guys, it's Daisy. Welcome back to our magical world. Today, I have a very special secret to share with you. Lean in close. Closer. Perfect. Have you ever wondered what lies at the very bottom of the deep blue ocean? Beyond the coral reefs, beyond where the sunshine can reach? Well, there are places down there that human eyes have never, ever seen. Magical places, but also mysterious ones. In today's adventure, we are going to dive deep down into a hidden cove, a place where the clock stopped and where a strange mystery began. A town that lost all of its color. Imagine a world where there is no red, no green, no yellow, just gray. But don't worry, because we are not going alone. We have a spectacular friend joining us today. He has stripes like a rainbow, a tail like pink cotton candy, and the most magical curly whiskers you've ever seen. Are you ready to solve the mystery of Grayville with him? Put on your imaginary scuba masks, take a deep breath, and let's dive right into our story. Once upon a time, in the deepest, bluest part of the ocean, blue, there lived a very special fish named Ronnie. Now, Ronnie wasn't your everyday fish. His body was covered in bright stripes of red, yellow, purple, orange, and green. He had a top fin that glowed like golden sunshine, and his tail looked like wavy pink cotton candy. But his favorite feature? Purple! A pair of curly purple whiskers that made him look super wise and a little bit silly. Ronnie had a magical superpower. Wherever he swam, he brought joy and color. Pink, if he passed a dull coral reef, it would instantly burst into bright colors, and the sea anemones would start to dance. Welcome to Grayville. One sunny morning, Ronnie decided to go on an adventure. Yellow! He swam further than he ever had before, all the way to a hidden cove. When he arrived, he couldn't believe his eyes. He had stumbled into a town called Grayville. Green! In Grayville, everything was completely gray. The houses were gray, the seaweed was gray, and even the fish living there were totally gray. Pink, nobody was laughing, and nobody was playing tag in the bubbles. Ronnie swam up to a little gray fish, twitched his purple whiskers, and asked, "Hey there, buddy. Why is everything so gloomy around here? Where did all the color go?" The little gray fish sighed and said, "We forgot how to be happy a long time ago. When we lost our joy, our colors packed up and left too." Purple! Ronnie knew he had to help his new friends. He took a deep breath, zipped through the water, and started doing loops and belly flops. He shook his pink tail and spun around like a colorful top. As Ronnie spun faster and faster, red, magical glowing bubbles began to pop out from his colorful stripes. The red bubbles filled the air with warm hugs. The yellow bubbles brought bright streaks of happiness. Green! The purple bubbles tickled the gray fish until they couldn't help but burst into giggles. Yellow! The moment those magical bubbles touched the gray fish, something amazing happened. Pop, zap, boom! Their gray scales turned into brilliant blues, gorgeous greens, and bright oranges. The dull seaweed turned emerald green, and the boring gray rocks transformed into a glowing neon reef. All the fish started cheering, singing, and dancing in a big circle around Ronnie. Grayville wasn't gray anymore. It was now the happiest, most colorful spot in the entire ocean. Ronnie gave a proud wiggle of his whiskers, waved goodbye with his fin, and swam off into the sparkling blue sea, ready for his next big adventure. Hello everyone, I'm Daisy. Today, we are going to dive deep, deep, deep into the ocean. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, right here. This is my friend Ollie, and he is an octopus. Can you help me count his long, wiggly arms? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Pink. 8 arms. And look closer. See those little round dots on his arms? Those are suction cups. They go pop, pop, pop on the rocks. And they help Ollie catch his yummy, crunchy snacks. Yum, yum, yum. Now, I have a big secret about Ollie. Put your hand on your heart. Thump, 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 thump. We have one heart, right? But Ollie is a superstar. He has 3 hearts. Thump, 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 thump. Red! And guess what color his blood is? It's not red like ours. Pink. It's bright blue, just like the ocean. Oh my gosh, right? Green. Ollie also loves to play hide and seek. He is the king of hiding. If a big fish swims by, Ollie goes zap pink and changes his color to look exactly like a rock or a bumpy coral. You can't see him at all. Blue. But if a scary predator gets too close, Ollie has a superpower. He shoots out a big cloud of dark ink. Splash! Orange. The water gets all cloudy, and Ollie zooms away like a rocket. Vroom! How does he move so fast and squeeze into tiny spaces? Because Ollie has a wiggly jiggly body with absolutely no bones. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Red! He is as soft as jelly. He can squeeze through a hole as small as a coin. So, that is my amazing, smart friend Ollie. Do you want to be an octopus with me now? Purple! Let's wiggle our 8 arms together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle! Green! Yay! Thank you for listening, friends. Bye-bye!